Alofa atu kia mutulusi. Kako Koni-Leigh Liuvaie. I'm going to see if my dad can translate some Niuean words.
Alofa atu, ko inga ko Randy Liuvaie.
Alofa atu, koko Liuvaie. Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Can you translate picture?
Picture. Ata.
Can you translate
Ata.
a jacket?
Jacket. Ta puluma whana. Jacket is ta puluma whana.
What about trash bin?
Rubbish bin. Rubbish bin is Niuean.
What about mudge? You know, the one where you make Milos.
Mug. Or the jug.
Jug.
Jug is not so good as mudge.
Mug.
Yeah, mug is kapiniu inusi. Kapiniu inusi. Mudge.
Cheer.
Cheer. Cheer is nofoa.
How about socks?
Socks. Tosini. Socks. Tosini. Come on, give me a hard one.
TV.
Well, technically, I think there was no TVs back in the day, so I think TV is TV. T-I-V-I. Correct me if I'm wrong. Or puha pakawha ono ata. Puha pakawha ono ata.
What about blue or nana? Blue.
What? Blue.
Yeah.
Like the color blue.
Yeah.
LANU MOANA.
Oh yeah.
Liani, do you have any words for daddy?
I do.
Okay, yeah.
Phone.
Phone is telefoni. Phone. Telefoni.
What about whiteboard pen?
Whiteboard pen. Whiteboard pen. Pene tohi tohi lapasea. Pene tohi tohi lapasea.
How about Mike?
Mike. Mike is...
Mike.
Mike, please help me out. Mike is probably...
Mike.
Mena bang hau hingut.
Oh, I know one.
I don't know what Mike is. Bloody hell.
Here.
What, knits? Or here? Here is laulu. Okay, come on, two more.
What? Where you draw? There.
Isn't it the same as lapasea tohi tohi?
No, I
Whiteboard.
mean the square thing.
Square, the square shape? Square is pakawha.
I got an answer for you, Daddy. I know one. I know. What is?
Okay, Liani's turn. What do you want, Liani?
What's that?
The wall. The wall is called kaupa. The wall is kaupa. Can you remember that, Liani?
Kopa.
Yeah, kaupa. Okay, one more, last one.
What is a lens called a Niuean?
A camera lens. Is that what you mean?
Yeah.
Camera lens. Mena hulu he pokiata. Camera lens. Mena hulu he pokiata. Is that correct? What do you think? Does that sound correct in Niuean? Mena hulu he pokiata? Okay, we'll just stick with that.
I know.
Okay, last one from Liani. Let's go.
Do you need the Muffin Man?
The Muffin Man. Tangata Mafini. Tangata Mafini. Okay, Koni-Leigh, last one.
What do you call the bucket where you grow plants?
A pot plant.
No.
Is that what you mean?
Yeah, pot plant in Niuean.
Pot plant is ulo to'ako.
Daddy, I don't
Pot
know.
plant. Ulo to'ako.
Daddy, mean this flower pot.
No, I give up. Ulo to'ako.
Daddy,
Correct me
I
if
got
I'm
a
wrong.
question.
Okay, no more questions. I think it's better, eh? What do you think you should say?
Yes,
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Koikia. Koikia.